AI improves your car design process in many ways. You can directly talk with it for brainstorming. You can generate surprising designs and images and different objects to inspire yourself and find alternative directions for your projects. You can also import your own sketch and render it in a very fast and high quality way. It's not even only rendering. You have some amazing tools to support your ideation and development of your own design as well. If you are lost with this AI topic or if you have no idea, don't worry, I understand you. That's why I prepared this course for total beginner level. We're gonna start from zero and continue step by step. Basically, I categorize AI for car design in two different approaches. The first one is we're gonna be on the passenger seat, more like a co-pilot, and we're gonna give directions to the driver to guide it. And on the second approach, we are directly sitting on the driver's seat and we have the control of where we wanna go. The passenger seat approach is mid-journey. Basically, we're gonna write a text about what we want and we're gonna get some results. The driver's seat approach is Viscom. We're gonna import our own ideas, our own sketches, and develop them further with the power of AI. And at the end, we're gonna get amazing renders with different styles, super fast and high quality. Additionally, we're gonna use ChatGPT and Photoshop Generative Fill. Also, if you realize nowadays there are many people against AI or they're afraid of AI, so at the beginning of the course, I will also talk about this kind of topics. So in this course, we're gonna cover everything from zero, specifically focused on AI for car design. And at the end, you're gonna get confident enough to use it on your own projects. I'm sure you will be impressed by AI, so I'm so excited to share it with you. Let's start.